Very good morning, my dear students. Welcome again. In this video, we will be discussing your another type of food. Again, we are going to make comparison as we have done in your previous video. In this, we will be seeing your sapwood and heartwood. Okay, dear students, please do not confuse. In your last video, आपके जो पिछले वीडियो में पढ़ा हमने वो क्या पढ़ा था? Your softwood and hardwood. एक जिम्नोस्पर्मिक वुड है, एक डाइकॉट वुड है. Am I clear? In this video, we are going to discuss what is this sapwood and its hardwood. पिछले वीडियो में क्या पढ़ा था? It's HARD, hardwood. In this video, we will be seeing your hardwood. Okay. I know that every one of you have seen stump of tree. Yes or no? आपने देखा है stump? Yes, stump मतलब वो क्रिकेट वाला stump I am not talking about. What I am talking ऐसा ये जो stem portion होता है यहाँ से कटा हुआ. You people have seen? Yes or no? This is called as your stump. It is called as your stump. Or simply, what I want to know that have you people have seen transverse section of stem? Stem का transverse section अगर किसी ने देखा होगा तो you people have observed कि ये जो central portion होता है, ये जो central portion होता है, this central portion are darker in color, whereas जो peripheral portion होता है, it is lighter in color. Have you people have ever noticed this? Yes, सभी ने देखा होगा कहीं ना कहीं ये चीज you people have seen. बीच में जो होता है स्टेम का, इसके लिए you have to cut the stem. Am I clear? Okay? तो बीच में जो पोर्शन होता है at the center जो पोर्शन होता है उसका कलर डार्क होता है. In comparison to the peripheral portion वो lighter in shade होता है. Yes or no? Yes. So about this darker zone and this lighter zone we are going to discuss. Simple as that. ठीक है बच्चों? तो देखो, if I am talking about this peripheral wood जो कलर लाइट कलर का होता है, इसको कहा जाता है sapwood. What it is said? Sapwood. Whereas बीच में जो डार्क कलर का पोर्शन होता है, this darker zone, this one is called as your heartwood. Am I clear? Do you understand what I am trying to say? Once again, ये wood secondary xylem ही होगा, आपको अच्छे से पता है. Secondary growth हुआ, किसका प्रपोर्शन आपके वुड में ज्यादा है? ऑफ योर सेकेंडरी जाइलम. क्योंकि प्राइमरी फ्लोएम, सेकेंडरी फ्लोएम वो बेचारे तो क्रश हो चुके हैं. यस और नो? यस. सो दिस वुड डेफिनेटली आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट योर सेकेंडरी जाइलम ओनली. ठीक है, तो बीच में जो होता है वो डार्क कलर, वो हार्टवुड. पेरिफेरी में जो होता है लाइट कलर इज योर sapwood. Am I clear? So dear student, I hope you understood the difference. You understood the difference between this sapwood and heartwood. Am I clear? So dear students, let's write. Here I am writing your sapwood and here I am writing your heartwood. ठीक है? Okay. चलो. Once again in terms of comparison. Okay. If I am talking about your sapwood, to be more specific, ये जो sapwood heartwood है वो आपको दिखाई देगा in old stem, not in young stem. Okay, so point right over here. First of all, such type of wood, such shades of color, such difference in color, darker and lighter is visible in older stem. It is visible in case of older stem. If I want to write example, right, it's your Dalbergia. Right, let's write example with green color pen. Okay, let's write with green color pen. It's your Dalbergia. ठीक है, and your Acacia if I want to write. Okay, so in such older stem there is visibility of this different coloration. Okay, so sapwood, if I am talking about what I am writing first point, it is your outer lighter wood. It's your outer lighter wood. Okay, whereas if I am talking about your hardwood, then it is central, I can say, or I can say it's inner, है ना, darker wood, inner darker wood. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया आपका first difference. This is your first difference. Okay, dear students, this sapwood is also called as alburnum. What it is said? Alburnum. Whereas this hardwood is also called as your duramen. What it is said? It is said as your duramen. So highlight this point. आपका जो this is alburnum and this is your duramen. Am I clear? Dear students, if I want to talk about your sapwood, then this is functional wood. ये कैसा wood होता है? It is functional wood. Okay. Functional wood in the sense what? It is conducting. अरे conducting का मतलब क्या होता है? It conducts water and minerals. Yes or no? Yes, it's conducting one. Whereas if I am talking about your hardwood, ये होता है बच्चों non-functional. कैसा होता है? Non-functional, or I can say they are, yes, non-conducting. They are non-conducting. Am I clear? So this is the difference between your sapwood and your hardwood. Okay, this is the main difference between your sapwood and your hardwood. जो peripheral lighter color होता है is sap, central darker color होता है is hard. Sap is also called as, yes, alburnum. Hard is called as duramen. Simple as that. HD याद रखो आप. HB. H for hard and D for your duramen. Am I clear? Okay. Then ये functional होता है, conducting होता है, जो पानी conduct कर सकता है. This is non-functional, or I can say it's non-conducting. Am I clear? Okay. Now let's talk about this hardwood. Why actually they are darker in color? क्यों? Why? Why they are? So what I am writing over here, है ना? Why they are darker in color? क्यों है भाई? So let's discuss this point. Why they are darker in color? Dear students, if I am talking about your hardwood, तो hardwood, once again I am talking about your secondary xylem. मतलब I am talking about vessels and tracheids. Dear students, ये जो hardwood होता है, इनके vessels and tracheids जो होता है, they get clogged, है ना? These vessels and tracheids of secondary xylem gets clogged with ingrowth of adjacent parenchymatous cells. Let me write it very quickly. ठीक है? These vessels and tracheids get clogged with ingrowth. अंदर की तरफ grow हो रहे हैं. कौन? Adjacent parenchymatous cells, and this is called as your tylosis. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? This ingrowth is called as tylosis. आ रही है बात समझ? Yes. चलो, let me draw the diagram for explanation purpose. Okay, dear students, if I want to draw your vessel, तो बच्चों ये मैं vessel draw कर रही हूँ. Okay, so inner there will be empty space, right? और बाजू में कौन है? These are your surrounding parenchymatous cells. सराउंडिंग पेरेन्काइमेटस सेल्स मान लीजिए, एंड देखो आई एम शोइंग द इन ग्रोथ, आई एम शोइंग द इन ग्रोथ विथ रेड कलर. कैन यू सी दिस थिंग? Can you see this thing? Yes, these are the ingrowths. Are you people getting my point? Yes or no? Yes. So let's label it. ये क्या है बच्चों बीच में? Vessels. ये क्या है? This is your parenchyma. And these are what? These are the ingrowth. And this ingrowth is called as टाइलोसिस. ये इनग्रोथ को क्या कहा जाता है माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? टाइलोसिस कहा जाता है. दिस इज द लॉन्जिट्यूडिनल सेक्शन. ये क्या है? लॉन्जिट्यूडिनल सेक्शन. ठीक है. ओके, लेट मी राइट इट अपवर्ड साइड. सो दिस इज द longitudinal section. Let's draw the transverse section. If I want to draw the transverse section for the same transverse, matlab we are going to cut it like this. So here I am going to, so this is the border, this one, green color one, as you can see. Can you see this? Make it circle in your notebook. ठीक है, आपके नोटबुक में परफेक्ट ये सर्कल आना चाहिए. So let's draw it. Just a minute. ठीक है. And आजू बाजू में with blue color one, I am going to make, ये क्या है my dear students? These are your, yes, these are your, very good, parenchymatous cells. ठीक है. Surrounding adjacent parenchymatous cells. Am I clear? Okay. And this red color one, this comes inside in the cavity, as you can see. This comes in the cavities of vessels by means of pits. Of course, by means of pits. Pits क्या होते हैं? Small small pores which are present. So by means of pits, ये जो है, if I want to draw this thing, ये क्या है बच्चों? Pit है. ठीक है. सो बाय मीन्स ऑफ पिट, पिट का मतलब होता है पोर, राइट? दिस पेरेन्काइमेटस सेल ग्रोज इनवर्ड एंड फील्स द कैविटी. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? नहीं समझ में आया? ये क्या है? जाइलम है. ठीक है. आजू बाजू क्या होगा? पेरेन्काइमा होगा. अब पेरेन्काइमेटस सेल मान लीजिए दिस इज पिट, एंड एज यू कैन सी माई फिंगर इज इन मिडल. My fingers are in middle. These fingers are coming in. दिखाई दिया? These fingers are coming in by means of this pits. By means of this pits. तो ये अंदर चली. तो can you see lumen inside? अब अंदर खाली जगह है क्या? No. It is filled. And hence what I have written. Vessels and tracheids gets clogged by ingrowth of adjacent parenchymatous cells, and these are called as tylosis. Am I clear? Ultimately ये जो parenchymatous cells है, they get lignified and they becomes dead. ठीक है. ये जो parenchymatous cells जो रेड कलर के ड्रॉ करे हैं, right? They get lignified. लिग्निफाइड का मतलब क्या होता है बच्चों? डिपोजिशन होगा लिग्निन का. एज यू कैन सी आई एम मेकिंग सेल वॉल थिकर. सो दिस इज डिपोजिशन ऑफ लिग्निन. सो व्हाट आई मीन बाय लिग्निफिकेशन, और आई कैन से इट गेट्स लिग्निफाइड एंड बिकम डेड. डेड का मतलब क्या होता है? आपको अच्छे से पता है. लॉस ऑफ प्रोटोप्लाज्म. लॉस ऑफ प्रोटोप्लाज्म. एम आई क्लियर? ओके. नाउ इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट parenchymatous cell, it gets lignified and get dead. Dead in the sense they loses protoplasm. Okay. Now dear students, external substances, external material of plant. जैसे कि if I am talking about your tannins, right? So here I am writing if external material, okay, right? Oils, then are your gums, then are your aromatic substance. Then if I am talking about essential oil, okay, then tannins, gets deposited. It gets deposited. Am I clear? मैंने आपको बोला पेरेन्काइमेटस सेल अंदर आए, लिग्निफाइड हुए, they will become dead, और उसके ऊपर this heart cell gets filled with, है ना, this जो heart cells होते हैं they get filled with these substances like oils, gums, aromatic substance, essential oil and tannins. All these things are called as extractives. इनको क्या बोला जाता है? एक्सट्रैक्टिव बोला जाता है. Am I clear? So वापस से एक बार मैंने क्या बोला? Lignified become dead and these cells, these hardwood cells, है ना? Yes, they get filled with. इसके अंदर क्या क्या चीज भर जाएगी? Oils, gums, resins, aromatic substance, essential oil, tannins gets deposited, and this is called as your extractive. Okay, I have not written resins. Let me write over here resins. Okay, gets deposited and they are called as extractive. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे देखो मैं डिपोजिशन दिखा हुआ आप सबको. मान लीजिए ये अंदर डिपोजिशन किसका हो गया, है ना, किसका हो गया, ये सब चीजों का, जिनको क्या बोला जाता है? एक्सट्रैक्टिव. एम आई क्लियर? एंड ड्यू टू दिस थिंग दे आर डार्कर इन कलर. सिंपल सी बात है. ओके, वन इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, राइट, वन इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज दैट हियर आई एम राइटिंग, ओके, दे आर resistant to microbial attack. Are you people getting my point? They are resistant to microbial attack, right? But there is a wood rotting fungus. But however, they can be attacked by wood rotting fungus. ठीक है? However, they can be attacked by, they are liable to attack by, I can say, they are liable to attack by wood rotting fungi. Am I clear? So my dear students, ये क्या हो गया आपका? Hardwood. Am I clear? They are resistant to microbial attack. However, they are liable to attack by wood rotting fungi. Am I clear? तो बच्चों ये क्या हो गया आपका? What is this? This is your hardwood and sapwood. I hope you understood this video really very well. Thank you very much.